Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Declaration Grooming Mimic. This one is inspired by, I think it was Beau de Jour, or I know it means beautiful day. Beautiful day, according to Google Translate. It smells kind of aquatic, and I forgot the notes, like always, because I couldn't put the note next to the phone and read them. No. Or open the tab. Anyway, I know it has a lavender and other stuff, but anyway, matching splash always. And the razor I'm gonna be using for the third time, the Razor Company Vanguard with the mild blade. And I'm gonna be using for the first time the Rapira Platinum blades. Never used that blade before, so that could be good, that could be bad. And for the brush, if you know me, oh my god, this is already looking bad. I'm gonna be using Machi Grizzly Bay RichSeas with a 28mm G5C nut, already loaded, somewhat samurai-ish method on the. Gotta pick up the brush cuttles again. Gotta use it again. Gonna be using the brush cuttle again. Don't fall. And I was trying to use the mister. I left it on warm water just to see if it would transfer the you know, if the water on the bottom will get warm. Didn't work. It didn't work. So, well, I have to do everything like before. I guess the best way is gonna be the microwave. You might hear one of the kittens, well, cats, they are big, a couple of years old. Just enter them to get them some food. Give them some food, and I heard one of them meowing. You can laugh. This handle is weird. It's just a cylinder pretty much, but it works. Gotta have the warm water while face lathering. I put a good chunk of soap on the brush because I don't know how Declaration Grooming will react to it. So I made sure that I have enough, or what I think would be enough, and it's working. Looking beautiful already. And I know you would think that even though it's 80s or 90s outside, I wouldn't want warm water on my face, but actually it feels great. What can you do? Well, actually, also the house is on 75 or 76 now. But yeah, it's looking already. I don't know if you guys heard it, but yeah, Mia is meowing. It's looking great. Nice sheen. A little bit more water. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Friday. Hope you guys have a great Friday with no issues. Just get ready to enjoy the weekend. I'm off this weekend, and so far I'm off of work. They didn't say nothing. They started great too last week, and this week started good, but the loads died down, I guess. No, don't interrupt the good stuff. It's looking great. 5 minutes in. And it's been looking great. Oh yeah. Look at that. Also, it's starting to rain, so hopefully the rain will give me some playtime just to show off the lather. It's just looking great. Yeah, it's looking great. ¿Qué fue, mía? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué fue? She wants to go outside, but she doesn't understand that one, it's hot and it's raining. No, don't drop the good stuff. Man, this lather is looking beautiful. Yeah, I gotta cut it short because it's starting to rain and I don't wanna lose the video because I took too long on lathering, playing around with the lather, and then all you hear on the video is let's go my plate. Oh yeah, this one I noticed the difference right away. It's very mild. Now regarding the standard plate, it's pretty efficient. Just a touch less than the Plus was. Yeah, looking very nice. Just a touch less efficient on the Plus. I'm a little over 24 hours of growth. And I thought I wasn't gonna be able to shave. But yeah. Oh yeah. Good sleekness. Yeah, still doesn't taste good. I went blind to the scent already, so it smells nice. I would think that it could be kind of aquatic. I know that it's inspired on a perfume that I have no clue, but I thought that it could be maybe aquatic. Now, reminder, I am not an expert on scent. I would say terrible. I put the notes on the description when I'm getting the video ready for upload. But it smells nice. She's so cute. She's a beautiful gray cat. She's a rescue. Actually, both of my cats are, actually they are not mine, but both of the cats are rescue. Shouldn't be playing. Got the time. Gonna win against the rain. Look at that lather, oh my god. How can you stop playing? I hope that you guys can hear me. She's so cute. Either that she's meowing to get in the room. Because sometimes she sleeps with me. Still very smooth. Very smooth. Rapira place seems to be really nice. Heard good things about those blades, but I never got I never bought them. I got them because when I bought the Blackbird, the guy gave me a bunch of stuff, and the Rapira blades were in there. Another train, yeah. Gotta love it. Yeah, he's showing up today. I miss the brush Scuttle. It works great. Look at that lather. Managed to get a great lather with it. Right now I have it in the inside the sink with warm water, so technically you can put a mug and do the same. But I tested it, it retains the heat for over my shave, so that's the biggest benefit of the Scuttle. Brush Scuttle. Gives the face lather a chance to have a warm lather. Yeah, so far. The mild plate seems to be really nice for daily shavers. I like the plus. Ooh, I think I hang up something here. I see no blood yet, but I felt that it hang on something here. But yeah, the standard plate, I would say if you shave daily or have sensitive skin, or because to me it's not aggressive in any plate, but it's me. So I would say that my plate would be the best option. I would say the best plate would be the mild and the plus. You can, if you want to save a little bit of money, just buy those two plates if you're interested in more than one. But I would say I would be happy with just the standard. But I like the plus. It's really smooth too. All three are smooth, but for the mildness, I couldn't feel the difference between the plus and the standard. So why not, if you get the same mildness or very, very close mildness, and get more efficiency. So if the more you, if you're like me curious, just buy the whole set, and it's even cheaper that way. Yeah, it's very smooth. Has been really, really smooth with all three plates throughout all three shaves. I know the gap on this one, I think it was 0.77. And it's neutral exposure. I put the information on the description, so no worries about that. but it's really nice. Definitely the mildest of the three. Very nice. Let's check for pickups. Let me get a little bit of water. Yeah, this side is good. A little bit there, which happens to almost every shade. Very nice. Very nice. Ironically, I got more nicks with the with the matte plate, but I did some stuff that I didn't do on the with the other plate, so I blame it on technique. But it was nice. It was a nice shave. Went nose blank for the scent during the shave, so you know how it works with me. Still was a nice scent. I wonder if it is aquatic. It gives me some vibe. I smelled that before. That no, but I don't know what it is. I'm thinking that it may be an aquatic, but don't trust me. Yeah, that was a nice shave. All three plates now give a really nice shave. Just a plain stone. And it's gone. It was a nice shave. Really surprised by that razor. If you want it, go grab it. Now, which blade would be my favorite? I would say my two favorites are the Plus and the Mild. I mentioned that before already. So I would say the Mild is more suited for daily shaving. Pretty nice burn. Wow. It's not dark. It smells nice, but I cannot tell you exactly what it is, but it smells nice. The notes are going to be on the description. Don't worry. It was a nice shave. That was great. I really enjoyed the Vanguard, but I'm going to put it to rest now since I already did the three plates and I enjoy all three. And I guess that's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your weekend.